Most of the countries in the world have 4 types of seasons, but in India, which is Hindustan, we have 6 types of seasons. Typical summers in India starts from last of March and end till the last of June, and it may go up to the half of July also. In the high temperatures of 25 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius, we have to go for our work to do our regular things in these high temperatures. Time, life, work, nothing is constant. But in this high heat, in high temperatures, we have to go for our work because work is worship. Yes, I believe work is worship, but health should be a priority. So in this video, I have 5 summer drink hacks for you. 5 summer drinks which are healthy, fit, tasty, and which will keep you away from the negative factors of these high temperatures. So stay tuned. To beat the heat in these summers, most of the people drink Coke, alcohol, other types of beverages. They give you a soothing effect for an half or two, but this is completely wrong. This is harming your body. So what you should do with? So drink number 1 is Satu Water. Yes, Sattu is a dish of Bihar. In Bihar there are high temperatures. So to beat the heat, people of Bihar drink Sattu. Sattu is made up of 2 types of grains. One choice is jo and the other grain is chana. What you have to do is you have to grind jo or chana, whichever you like. The jo is the more better one. So you can grind it in the mixer and then you have to add it. I will tell you in the further video. And the other thing is you can buy these powdered jo and powdered chana from the market also. So what I have is I have purchased it from the market. You have to take a glass of water. You have to add 1 or 2 teaspoons of sattu powder. Then you have to add nimbu, lemon, half or 1 lemon you can add it. Then you don't have to do anything. You just have to add the brown sugar. I recommend you to eat brown sugar, no normal sugar. You can eat gudiya shakkar or no sugar at all. No normal white sugar is very harmful for you, so don't eat it. Eat gudiya ka shakkar. It is very beneficial for your body, and mix it well, and it is done. Now you can beat the heat. Now the drink number 2 is the most common one in our homes, that is lemonade, lemon water. Lemon, which is rich in vitamin C, rich in many nutrients. Lemon is like the immunity booster, instant energy booster, rich in vitamin C. There are many health benefits of lemon. So lemon water is very good in these summers. What you have to do is you have to take 1 glass of water, mix a lemon in it. You have to add black salt in it. You can add mint leaves in it. What I am doing is I am adding a lemon in a mixer, then water in a mixer. If you want to add sugar, you can add it, but I don't drink it, so I am not adding it. Just take water, lemon, mint leaves and black salt, which we call kala namak, which is very good for our digestion. So mix it well in a grinder and it is ready to drink. Now the drink number 3 is Bael Juice. Yes, It is a ingredient, or it is a fruit which most of us don't like because it is bitter in taste. But I believe the food which are bitter and sour in taste, they are not tasty but they are healthy. They are super healthy foods. So Bael is one of them. It is great for your intestine. It is great for your stomach. It can balance your hormones. It is great in many things. So what you have to do is you have to take a Bael, crack it, mash it, juice it, grind it, refine it, and you can add water into it, or the another form is you can add milk in it. And in both the form you have to add gudiya shakkar in it, no sugar. So in the water Bael juice you can add gudiya shakkar, and in the milk Bael juice you can also add gudiya shakkar. So it is ready to drink. Now the drink number 4 is, which is called as Mattha in UP, Kachi Lassi in South, Lassi in Punjab, and Chaach in northwestern part of India. Yes, it is Chaach, the most common drink which is made with curd. What you have to do is you have to add cumin or jeera in it, and kala namak, which is called black salt, in it. You can also add rye and ajwain, which will make the drink more beneficial. But simply you can add jeera and kala namak in it. Mix it well and it is ready to drink. Now the last one and the 5th one is green mango water. It is also called raw mango, or normally in India we call it Kachi Kari ka pani, or Kari ka pani, or Kari ki chaach. There are many names to it. According to geographical locations, people call it with different name.
Green mangoes are very beneficial for your health. First of all, they are pure organic. They help you in stomach problems. They cure many types of diseases. They beat the heat in this high temperature, and there are multiple of benefits. Now what you have to do is you have to take some kachi carries and pour some water in a utensil. Then give a boil of 10 minutes to these kachi carries. Now after boiling these kachi carries, what you have to do is you have to peel them, then mash them, then grind them, then add some water in the mixture you have obtained. Now you have to take a mixer, then add mango water which you have obtained, then red chili powder, some mint leaves, some black salt, gudiya shakkar or jaggery you can add, cumin powder, and mix it well in a mixer, and your drink is ready. The super healthy green mango kachi kari ka pani.
So these were the 5 drinks which are super healthy, super tasty, and which will beat the heat for you in these high degree temperature in these summers. So drink it. You can also take these drinks in your office, to your work. It can be a substitute to water also. It will hydrate your body. It is super healthy, super tasty, super awesome. So drink it in these summers. It will make you the real you, the healthy you. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to ask something, and share this video with your loved ones. Bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.